Today you're going to learn about the GDPR Repermission email campaign. Here's what we're going to cover. When do you need to send out a repermission email? My 3 considerations that will help you decide, and how to create and send out a GDPR compliant repermission email using MailChimp. I'll be sharing with you some expert examples of what a really good repermission email looks like. Plus, you'll be able to download my exclusive GDPR email marketing checklist. In my last tutorial, I showed you how to set up a GDPR compliant sign-up form for all future subscribers opting into your lists. Today, I'm going to show you what you need to do with the subscribers that are already on your lists. This is because the regulations apply to all EU subscribers, regardless of whether they opted in before or after the 25th of May. We've got a bit to cover, so let's dive in. Step number 1. It's a bit confusing, isn't it? According to the GDPR, you don't need to send out a repermission email to subscribers if the manner in which the consent has been given is in line with the conditions of this regulation. To help you decide whether consent has been given in line with GDPR, I've come up with my 3 key considerations. Number 1. Positive opt-in. Do you have a record of positive opt-ins from all your subscribers? This means a subscriber has taken positive action to confirm they'd like to receive your emails by clicking on a subscribe button and confirming their instructions by way of a double opt-in. Or they may have simply put a tick or a check in a box to confirm their wishes. Your email service provider will have a clear record of exactly how and when a subscriber opted into your list. If you don't have a record like this, then you need to send a repermission email. If you've ever manually subscribed someone to an email list on MailChimp, for example, there will be an admin ad in the source column of your subscriber records. Up until now, that's been absolutely fine. But the GDPR will not consider this to be positive consent, and you will need to run a repermission email campaign to those subscribers. If any of your email opt-in forms have included pre-ticked boxes, you will also need to run a repermission email campaign, since this doesn't comply with the regulations. Number 2, separate consent for separate things. In my last tutorial, I explained that if you are going to be sending different types of email marketing campaigns, you need to allow your subscribers to choose exactly what sorts of campaigns they'd like to receive from you. I showed you how to add granular options to your sign-up forms to allow your subscribers to choose. This particular sign-up form from Selfridges is a perfect example of how to collect granular consent from subscribers. So if you have added granular options to your sign-up forms, you'll need to send a repermission email campaign to all your current subscribers, since you need to give them the same choices as you'll be giving your future subscribers. If in doubt, then send it out. If you're in any doubt whatsoever about when and how a subscriber opted into a list, then send them a repermission campaign. If you're worried about irritating your subscribers with too many emails, then just incorporate the pertinent paragraphs from the repermission email into a campaign that you are going to send them in any event. So now that we've covered all of that, let's take a look at the actual template that MailChimp have provided. To find this template, you need to click on the Create Template button, go to the Themes tab and click on the drop-down menu. You'll see right at the bottom there are 2 subscriber alerts. Click on this and select the GDPR subscriber alert template. Like all MailChimp templates, You can fully customize this one to add your own brand colours, style and personality by clicking on the Design tab. You can upload your business logo at the top. You're free to use MailChimp's suggested body text, or you can add your own paragraphs. It's entirely up to you. Similarly, the button text on your call to action is also customizable. Once the subscriber clicks on the call to action button, they'll be directed to the Update Profile form on the MailChimp form builder. Again, this form is fully customizable, so you can edit it by adding some body text or upload an image if you prefer. So that it's absolutely crystal clear to your subscribers what they need to do, you might want to include a short paragraph of instructions, asking them to select which type of email they'd like to receive from you, put a tick in the appropriate box, and then click on the Update Profile button below to save their preferences. You might also want to include a link to your privacy policy, cookie policy, and terms if appropriate, just to be absolutely honest and transparent with your subscribers about how you will use their data. Once you've sent out your repermission emails, you'll need to start segmenting your email lists in exactly the same way as I showed you in my last tutorial, so that you only send out the right emails to the right people. So I hope that answered a few of the questions that I've been sent recently, and thank you so much for all your wonderful feedback. To download your free GDPR email marketing checklist, you'll find the link in the comments box below. And for any more information about email marketing and GDPR, please refer to the ICO, the Information Commissioner's Office. And I'll leave another link in the comments box below so you can check them out. As usual, if you enjoyed watching this tutorial, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on any more email marketing tips. I'll see you in the next tutorial.